Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to share my thoughts on the TECNO Camon 30. Now, TECNO is a brand that's usually known for budget-friendly smartphones, but this time they've taken things a little up with the Camon 30. Honestly, I didn't expect this level of performance and features, but here we are. So let's dive into all the features and see what makes this phone stand out in 2024. Now, starting with the design, TECNO has stepped up its game. The Camon 30 comes with a sleek premium build that feels great in the hand. The back of the phone, depending on the choice, comes with a glass finish or eco-friendly leather, all right, giving it a unique touch. Plus, the phone is IP58 rated, which means that it's dust and splash resistant. Now, in terms of display, TECNO has equipped the Camon 30 with a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Guys, that's surprising. Now, the full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels really brings out the colors and sharpness, all right, making this a very solid choice for gaming, streaming, watching videos, and for everyday use. It's super responsive, and of course, the 120Hz refresh rate smoothness makes a noticeable difference when you are scrolling or sort of like playing games. Now, under the hood of the Camon 30 is powered by TECNO's MediaTek Helio Gen99 processor, and this is paired with 8 gigs of RAM, which can be extended by another 8 gigs of RAM of virtual memory. All right, so this kind of takes part of your ROM and then adds it up as a RAM. Now, while this isn't a flagship level chipset, the performance is smooth and efficient for multitasking, gaming. Those of you who like forex trading and all those other things, this phone will be the best for you. Budget friendly. All right, now for casual users, this phone handles pretty much everything that you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Now onto the camera, TECNO is clearly targeting photography enthusiasts. All right, with the Camon 30, it packs a 50 megapixel main camera with an optical image stabilization, which helps a lot when shooting in low light or while recording videos. Now, the front-facing 50 megapixels camera is equally impressive for taking perfect, selfies, vlogs, and video calls. So those of you out there who want to do content creation and photography, this phone will definitely be budget friendly for you. All right, now it has this AI enhancement which has really stepped up the photo game, all right, giving you features like AI ease to remove unwanted images and steady night portrait mode for stunning night shots. All right, the phone runs on Android 14 with TECNO's High OS, and they've thrown a bunch of AI features that makes the user experience a bit more interesting. All right, so they have this called the social turbo feature, which is one that stands out, enhancing third-party video calling apps, with voice changing, background effects, beauty filters, and a lot more. The battery life on the TECNO Camon 30 is another strong point for this device. It's got 5000 milliamps battery, which can easily last a full day even with heavy use. It supports 70 watts ultra fast charging, all right, and TECNO claims that you can go all the way from 0 to 50% in just 16 minutes with the 70 watts ultra fast charging, all right, which is very impressive. For any device in this category. Plus, the battery is built to last, with TECNO promising that the battery will still retain over 80% of its charging capacity even after 1600 charge cycle. So my final thoughts on this device: TECNO has really surprised me with the Camon 30. They've managed to create a smartphone that's not only competes but actually pushes the boundaries in the mid-range market. All right, with its premium design, fantastic camera, smooth performance and features like the fast charging and also incorporating some AI powered tools, it's clear that TECNO is stepping into a new era. And so checking the price online, you can get this between 3,400 Ghana cedis to 3,900 cedis. All right. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more detailed tech content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.